Okay, so now we're on to our guessing game here. So basically, I'm thinking of a number between 1 through 10. I'll just show you that it works first. Let's say I type in an invalid integer. Let's say uh, how. Invalid input, invalid input. I type in 9, too low, and let's just keep guessing. The attempts are getting up. Press play again to restart. I think that's just like the extra credit part of the thing, but yeah. So let's see here. It starts with three main variables: the int computer, int attempts, and int condition. Um, so this is gonna hold the randomly generated number the user is trying to get. The computer generates, right? That's why it's called computer. Pretty cool. Attempts. This is gonna keep track of how many attempts, obviously, and the condition. Um, it's gonna tell me, I guess. Uh, it's gonna like allow or prevent guesses as needed, basically. Uh, so we create a random object. It's gonna give us again the computer of variables holding this. Uh, Pretty convenient name. So the computer is gonna pick a number between a 0 through a 10, I think here. Um, let's see here. So if in condition, uh, it basically checks if in condition is not -1. So this makes sure that the player can make guesses unless they've already won. Okay, then they can't make any more guesses. Um, Here's my try block. It's a big try block here. Uh, in the try block, the game processes the user's guess. The int attempts, number of attempts, it goes up. Uh, it checks if the guess matches the random number, and it gives feedback if it's too low or too high. And if the guess is correct, then the condition is set to -1, right? To stop any further guesses. Okay? And then catch again if there was an invalid input. Let me show you again. So why invalid input. Okay? So again, and again, this makes you press. It says press play to restart, and it clears the number of attempts. Okay, now the again click event. I think I made this in condition equals 0. Basically, this is just a um, says when basically when the play again button is clicked. This one right here. Um, the game resets the in condition. I called it condition for a reason, to allow new guesses, but only if the player has already uh, guessed correctly, or they've seen the press play again message. Okay? If not, it's gonna say guess correctly before playing again. So yeah, that's basically it. And yep, bye.